Hi, I'm Avani, and I wanted to thank you so much for this transmission. Um, you had described the Kamakhya temple and the Shaktipath, the inner sanctum sanctorum, and the description of everything. It felt like we were right there, even though we couldn't travel to India at this time. Like I could just visualize it. Everything that you spoke was so I don't know, there was just so much Shakti behind it. You could actually feel like it felt like a transmission from Goddess Kamakhya herself. And you had shared that, if we do her sadhana, then we will become like excel in our field. And I could tell that just by you, by the way you were able to share the story, sing the mantra, lead the puja. The way you did that was just a master. It was like a master, a true goddess. And so I can see how it's worked in your life, and we would all like to have that kind of inner beauty and strength, and then to be able to share that with others. So thank you so much for this. We are so appreciative. It is
Thank
a
you.
real blessing.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you.
Yeah.